Hello and welcome to the second lesson of Cosmos 7742's education in Australia. This lesson we're going to talk about percentages and halves, wholes and quarters. So now let's start with our first shape. Like we told you last lesson, this is a square. Now, this square is a hole right now, but if we take a straight line right down the middle, it becomes two halves. Now, I could draw a straight line, but these are meant to represent two halves, and they're meant to be equal. Now, if we take another straight line, this time from here, we get four small squares. Each one of these are called a quarter. Now, for example, let's say this is a chocolate bar, and there are four pieces of chocolate. They are called four quarters, and if we eat one, how much is left? 3 out of 4. If we eat another piece, there's 2 out of 4, which can then be turned into 1 divided by 2. Now, this is used in lots of terms in maths. It's like one of the basic things. Now, for our next shape, let's look at a triangle. Now, this time, if we divide this triangle in half, we find that it has become two triangles, and if this is a straight line, then both of these halves are right triangles, like we teach you in the last lesson. Now, this can be used in lots of aspects, especially for people who do origami. This is really useful. Now, for our last shape, this is a circle. Now, you might have seen percentage ratio graphs. They usually use a circle. You know why? Because it's easier to show on a circle like this. This is what we call a pie graph. Okay, let's give an example. Let's take this angle as 108 degrees. Now, the maximum angle is 360 degrees. So, by doing simple maths, this is a percentage ratio, and we take 100 here. We take 100 here, and by doing simple maths, we can find that this is, now from this point, the equation we get is 36 times x divided by 10 equals 108. And I'm not going to do the maths here, but if you divide this, x is 30, which means this part over here is 30%. And this is all for part 2 of our education lessons in Australia. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you in the next episode.